carry our story. A history of bravery, dignity, and promise. The red for sacrifice, the blue for peace, the white for truth, and the sun and stars for the light we are called to carry. Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Guys, mute ko baka mag-block.
Bayang pag-ibig, sa silangan, hanap ng puso, sa bibig mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, bugyan ka ng mag-ibig, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisi. Sa lahat puno sa simula, sa langit mong bukaw, may tinatang tinatawag sa paglayang minamahal. Ang isat ng matawag mo'y tampay na nagpinipin. Ang dutuloy na araw na kayo, pag may di magkikinig, lupa ng araw ng buwan, langit at sinta, buhay langit sa piling mo. Aming ikaya na pa, may mga api ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Today, we take our stand again for Samar, for our people, for the next generation that will rise from this very soil. This is our land. This is our legacy. This is our time. Patayon Samar!
Kalayuhan mga lugar, animo kaanyan, amon paghihirgan, bisan anong akuran bagyong kakupian, taningan pagtuong ang hinagiban, mga pagkalihan sa lahat. Padayon sa mga lugar, padayon, unahan kalagaran, padayon, paglaang nakasasaligan, padayon sa mga, padayon, tusukan kalawan, padayon, tinugan kalawasan, padayon, kumahal katapusan, padayon sa mga, padayon. Samar padayon, pahandikahan kasaysayan, tunahan kinikanan, paglaong magtawo, diri tatalikdan bis, anong aturan bagyong kapuritan, tamingan pagtuong ang hinagiban, mga pagkalihan sa man. Padayon sa mga lugar, padayon,
meeting of the highest elected officials in the province of Samar. A reaffirmation of trust and a celebration of service.
Let us witness one by one our duly elected leaders take their solemn oath of office.
And now for the highest office in the province, we call upon a leader whose strength has carried Samar through challenges and change. Ladies and gentlemen, the Governor of the province of Samar, the Honorable Shari Andan.
And now to administer the oath, we may call in the Honorable Luz Lampasa, the Provincial Prosecutor of the province of Samar. Ladies and gentlemen, we shall now witness the oath-taking ceremony of the highest-ranking officials in the province of Samar.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name of the province of Samar, having been duly elected as
Governor of the province of Samar,
do hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the functions and duties of my present position and of all others I may hereafter hold under the Republic of the Philippines, that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same, that I will obey the laws, legal orders and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines, and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations.
Once again, congratulations, Congressman Stephen James Dan.
Congratulations, Congressman Reynolds Michael Dan.
Congratulations, Vice Governor Arnold Dan.
Congratulations, Governor Shari and Dan.
Once again, let's give them a big resounding applause. May your new term be defined by deeper compassion, courageous leadership, and lasting transformation for the people of Samar. We now proceed to the mass oath taking of our esteemed members of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan. Our provincial legislators, whose role is to ensure inclusive and forward-thinking governance.
We begin with the elected officials of the 1st District of Samar.
Please come on stage as we call your names. Please call on stage the Honorable Edward James Bautista Clement. The Honorable Abby Joy Irigon Yulo. The Honorable Don Marie Jumay Acosta. The Honorable Emily Dula Olahe. And the Honorable Anesio Rojas Guades.
We now call the elected members of the 2nd District of Samar. Please come forward. The Honorable Beethoven Muro Bermejo. The Honorable Yolanda Dizon Pan. The Honorable Maria Elba Estorninos de Jesus. The Honorable Luz Belinda La Torre Nacario. The Honorable J. Riquelillo Chu Magallanes. And the Honorable Rita Rama.
And to administer the oath is the Honorable Governor Shari Andan.
Kindly raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name of the province of Samar, having been duly elected as member Sangguniang Panlalawigan, State and District. Do hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the functions and duties of my present position and of all others I may hereafter hold under the Republic of the Philippines. That I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines. That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same. That I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines, and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations.
Congratulations to the new members of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan.
of the province of Samar. Let's give them a big round of applause, please. And to administer the oath is the governor of the province of Samar, the Honorable Shari Antan.
Kindly raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, please state your name, of the city or the municipality, having been duly elected as the position, do hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the functions and duties of my present position, and of all others I may hereafter hold under the Republic of the Philippines, that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same, that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines, and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations.
Congratulations to all our local government officials. May your term be marked by honest service, inclusive leadership, and programs that truly change lives.
You carry the banner of your town, but more importantly, you carry the trust of your people. Wear it with humility, lead with courage.
Badayan Samar! The oaths have been spoken, the trust has been renewed, and the mandate to serve reaffirmed before the people of Samar.
From the halls of the capital to the farthest barangays, we now walk together toward a future we all have a hand in shaping.
At this point, we'll listen to two voices who have long stood at the forefront of Samar's development. Leaders whose work in the House of Representatives continues to uplift every Samarnon.
To share their words of unity and support, we first invite the Honorable Stephen James Tan, Congressman of the 1st District of Samar.
Thank you very much. Good MC. First of all, actually, this is the second time na ngayon kami nag-take out ni Mayor Molly Calbayog City. But then, nevertheless, before I start my message, I just wanted to again repeat the quote that I have said yesterday. Coming from a very popular basketball player, Michael Jordan, probably the greatest player of all time. He said in his quote, "Talent wins games, but teamwork wins championship." And igsisentro naton kadaugan na diri la usa ka tawo ang nagpadaog kundi kita nga tanan. That's why we are all here. Even the greatest player of all time, naging humble gyapon niya and recognize that it is not only talent, but it is teamwork that is very important in winning a championship. Anyway, allow me to recognize the people that are very close to my heart. First, kanako pagpasalamat na natin Ginoo. And secondly, I would like also to thank my parents, even though they are not here na. Ako, father, Ricardo Tan, and also my mother, Milagrosa Tan. And I'm sure, even though they are not around, sabi ko pa na everything that we do is in honor also of our parents. Probably all of our parents is they really wanted na maging successful in mga and I would like also to acknowledge na ako na duhang beautiful daughter, Sky and Star. They have been supporting me silently. They are both my strength and my weakness also. Kaya ako duduhang anak. And to Governor Shani Antan, of course, and I'm on strength of our family also. After the death of my mother, Governor Shani and Tumindog and our family, and I'm very much thankful for the guidance and support that she has given to our family. Dili na yan ako, dili. Bisan na ito pa 10 years ago, and I still recall, she was the one na convinced me to run as Vice Governor at that time. Kaya nadiri ko na ako ito pagsunod ng politika because I always believe na medyo masamok ang politika. But my mother was convincing me to run, but it was Shari Antan who really was the one who convinced me in a very simple way. Nasa rin niya, saan ka po mabuling kung marin ka na buruligan. So sa bagay, it makes sense. So, thank you very much, Shari, for your guidance and support. And of course, to my colleague and my brother also, Congressman Michael Tan. Ay nabandan ako, brother. Naka-shades na yun ako, brother, kaya nagpa-opera pala yun ng mata. So, Kong Michael, thank you also for your support, and at the same time, our collaboration in Congress. Bisan ano mga problema, even though may problema ako sa first district that does not concern him, but still, yung supportan natin yan, and like manners also that I always support the advocacy of Kong Michael also in the second district. And then, to my idol, the Vice Governor of Samar, yan, ang mas gumagawa ko pa. So, nagdududa na talaga ako. Medyo may bangs na. So, after the death of my father, probably, he was like a father to me. Although, when we were younger pa, at that time, mga bata pa kita, he doesn't want to be recognized as my uncle. Kaya tayo pagsubag ng uncle mo, pumagpatod lang kita. So, and di ko na elaborate na kung ano pa ang sumunod na to. So anyway, Vice Governor Arnold Tan, thank you for your support also and guidance. And to my families also, my aunties that are here. Auntie Vivian, Auntie Ako Minyo, Ako Junjun, Auntie Fe, Auntie Ako Eddie, Auntie Esther. Thank you also your support gihapon for all the memories natin ng mga childhood pa, I followed. Up to now, you're still supporting our family. Thank you very much. And this is the only time that I will be given the opportunity pagpasalamat kahapon. Of course, to our commanding officer of the 8th ID, Sir Oreo. Thank you very much for your support also in maintaining the peace, not only in Samar province, but for the entire Region 8. And you have been a big, significant contributor para mas ma-maintain pa talaga natin peace. Not only for the last election, but for the entire region, talaga sa maraming salamat. And to the PNP also, we're not going to the ARD, but we are very also fortunate that the Chief PNP will be here with us. So very honored talaga. Kay Anthony ni Sangkay talaga is Sir Nicolas Torre III. And of course, to our provincial prosecutor, ano ba ito ma'am? Thank you also for your time na ginhatag. And then to our board members, I recognize ko first district. So na dinahalabaon, I will recognize the first district. Sabi ko pa, pagpasalamat ko gihapon. I will leave it up to the honor also of recognizing second district to Congressman Mike Catani. So, natin first district board member Edward Clemens, Honorable Edward Clemens, Honorable Abby Irigon, Yulo, Honorable Don Jumangay Apusta, Honorable Milay Olahe, Honorable Annie Juarez. So, salamat na ipakitang suporta at the same time, kamo talaga naging arms talaga natin during the election. And of course, I would like also to recognize the Mayor of Calbayog City, Mayor Munmur Uy. One of the youngest mayor, active, and at the same time, thank you very much also Mayor natin alam sa election. To Vice Mayor Rex Daguman of the City of Calbayog, and for the members of the Sangguniang Panglungsod. Next is our Mayor of Apros Gihapon ng Calbayog, and the Mayor of Almagro, Mayor Bibi John Buna, Vice Mayor Claudio Lapore, and the members of the Sangguniang Bayan. So thank you, Apros Gihapon. To the Mayor of Gandara, Mayor Juanan Aguilar, and Vice Mayor Elias Director, and for the rest of the Sangguniang Bayan also. Apros Gihapon. Matuginaw Mayor, Mayor Aran Bolier, Vice Mayor Epi Delonio, and the rest of the Sanggunian. So, ini adapted ni Nanay, Duay Lira. Pareho galing ito sa dadating. Yan, composing. And of course, the youngest and first district na Mayor said, Hendrik Stan, Vice Mayor Nodnod Pedrito, and the rest of the Sanggunian. Municipal Mayor of San Jorge, Mayor Lucio Di Gia, and Vice Mayor J. Bisnar. Kaupod and member of the Sangguniang Bayan. Mayor of Santa Margarita, Mayor Felix Panganoron. Ang pinakamaisog natin na Mayor. Vice Mayor Sol de Luraya and the rest of the Sanggunian. Mayor of Santo Niño, Mayor Marinel Apolonio, and Vice Mayor Lilia Conejos, and the rest of the Sanggunian. Of course, adiyan, adapted niya para nakamanay, Mayor Audirin na, Vice Mayor na lang niya. Mayor Princess Kate Limpiado of Nagapulan, and Vice Mayor Vicente Limpiado Jr. So, akong bossing. Thank you also for guiding me. Without him, probably the 2022 election, waray ko pa natin with all the guidance. Pira ka adlaw, magpapiniraw, pira ka kapiyan natin na ubos. And Mayor of Tarangnan, Mayor Danny Tan, and Vice Mayor Arnel Tan. So yun, hindi pa ba natin mo rin ma-recognize? And also to our national and provincial agencies and our mga partners, to the DepEd, to the PNP, to the Chief of Police, Provincial Director of Catbalogan, and the rest ng mga bisita, mga families of elected officials. So, maupay na aga. So, mga kabutuan ko, naglabayan ng election. It was very, I was very surprised also of the result ng ating election. Imagine from the senator going down to the councilor natin, ma-cross tanan natin result ng election. So, that is the first time na nakita ko. Before, may nakaka-close with the mga munisipyo, but now, all of the 9 municipality and 1 city, straight talaga. So, I was very demanding also to our mayors, to our vice mayors, because ang ating aim talaga is kita sa kapamilya, wala kong kita pabayaan, bisan usa. So, we have achieved that, you have provided that, you have delivered kung ano ka natin, request ko natin mga mayor. And I'm very much thankful. Pasensya na kayo, very demanding talaga ako ito mga naglabay. Because sarin ko pa, nadiri ako kung may nakita kayaan. But you know what? Probably ito, pagtapod naging pakita hindi ang aton liderato, ang aton mga mayors. So, kung makikita natin ang result, sobra-sobra kadako. So, makabutuan ko, nalilipay kita, but it also, thankful kita, but it humbles us also na sobra-sobra ang trust na ginapakita sa tao atin. So, I'm requesting all of our mayors na kita pagburublig kita na mamintig. We can only achieve with sobra-sobra kayo kung magbuburublig kita. You know, the term that I have for the last 3 years, I have been always supportive to our LGUs. We made a budget na halos pantay-pantay na ng munisipyo. Waray kita, taon na waray natin pamatingi o suporta yung kanatag sa programa. Especially that if we can see the 3 islands natin support in terms of circumferential road ada ganito. At hindi naman natin the rest of the mga municipalities. I know that the aim natin is ma-connect talaga kita tanan to each and every barangay. And for the city of Calbayog, and we all know that Calbayog is the center of economy in the first district. That's why medyo durdako ang natin mahatag. So, sometimes nga nasa niya ako na here in our province, sometimes din na natin kailangan maging super bright para ma-solvar natin ang problema.
Chamba pag abot ko na ganito.
Even the basic natin din nagiging problema talaga natin. So lucky are those mga other provinces na they have a lot of leeway. But no matter what, if magburublig kita, ikaw, sanggunian natin, ni Vice Gov, our mayors, Iliha Congress, I believe, ma-achieve natin ang tala natin mga hinya. For the next 3 years, I'm very much optimistic na mas damo pa natin mabubuhat. And I believe, kailangan kalipat na luson at pagtapon na ginhatag na din natin each and every elected officials. So, mga kabutuan ko, hindi ko na siguro halabaan ng aking message. Even the bills that I have made is always centered in ang ating concern ng ating province. So, everything na efforts natin is given to uplift the lives of our natin din natin. So, mga kabutuan, dahil ko na nahalabaon, din ang maaraw ko na ating pagpasalamat at kada tagsa-tagsa, but you know, I'm very much thankful na surpass natin din yung mga problema because ang nagiyan ko talaga na natin politika is masamok talaga at that time. So from the time that I was elected as Vice Governor, hingyap ko na good na maging peaceful ang atong probinsya, especially in the 1st District. Kaya historically, permanently good masamo. But now, nagkamay-ada kita election na pamingaw. This is the first time, probably ini natin na enhanad na din primero distrito o ang bugos na probinsya ang ma-maintain natin din. Hindi rin na ma-experience at mga sumunod na ato ng mga kabataan kung ano man na natin mga nakakiyan. But that is with the help of our AFP and the PNP. So we must continue na mamingaw good ang aton probinsya because it reflects also kung hinulbat kita dito. Sa Ribanera, those who are empowered has the audience again. Those who are empowered has the power to change. In short, kung hindi napunuan, may napoder as dako nga probability mapagawa niya lugar. We are all now approach natin, focus natin na partido from our governor down to the city council, to the city and municipal council, straight kita tanan. So there is no reason for us not to deliver, namin natin to deliver. So I am challenging all our elected officials, we must deliver ang amay natin. Ang ating kadaugan, diri ini ang katapusan, kung diri asya ini ang katikangan aton damo pa nga tayo maupang pala na kaupayan ng probinsya. Damong salamat yung maupay.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we welcome to deliver his message, the Congressman of the 2nd District of Samar, the Honorable Reynolds Michael Dan.
Aga hapon na tanan, aga. Kanina kasabot ko wala to short message, mga natulong ang kong Jimboy. Balita to all of you, again, aga. And of course, we are very happy Inkanhi kita, ginbisita kita kanaton former Provincial Director of Police, Samar, ganyan na Chief PNP na naton, Sir Nicolas Torre. Tatanan yung bisita, mga regional directors, national agencies, anaton mga local elected officials, tatanan ko ng mga pamilya, niya na nakukuha naman pagpasalamat ang iyong presensya, paghatagin oras, na magkaurupod kita yan ang nagdaw. Ang nag-aging pinili ay 2025, mag-usad to, han supposed to be pinaka masayon na election, kaya darang nawaray kalaban. Pero bagahan to, kita nga tanan, nag-i-stress man lugod kitahan election, ngahas na lugod na akong mata, baga nag-malfunction na. So, darang ko na stress. Pero yan na, anyway, kuhan lang, temporary man lang nga kanan mata, eventually maayos gihapon. Hindi yan na nga higayon, nga adi kita, tagaan himbag mga termino, nakatagan usap pang atsanisa na makapag-survey. Naku ini nga challenge para hapon, especially na nagaging ang pinili ay nga labot lang na waray kita kontra, yung tagaan kita hindi ako maputos, kundi rin ang mandato ang tao yung hapag hapon, ang pisar na waray kita kontra. So yun, yan ang nahigayon, ang pagkaurusa, ang lokal na pan-gobyernohan ni Governor Shari Antan, ni Vice Governor Arnold, ang aton mga board members, di ko na lang pagtatagpo sa usahon natin mga mayors, vice mayors, and kunsihales. Maaraman ka mo, kita akong pamaagi nga ang tanan nga kaya ako man ginihimo para makapag-extend kita in development di pa kahit handor bilain ng mga munisipyo, ng mga syudad, especially din niya Katbalogan. So amo po gihapon na natin gihimuon and hopefully yan na nga umarabot nga budget hearing, mas makahatag pa kita, mas mahigusok pa natin ang aton mga kinahanglan din niya probinsya sa manggad, mas maging progresibo, mas maging manilang puson pa ang aton mga buruhaton, ang aton mga programa, ang proyekto. So, ay yung po katanan, again, nagpapasalamat po ako ang iyong pagtapod ang aton liderato. Dahil, of course, sa akong asawa ni Roca, ay nanamon anak, ay RM, na kanina nagpipinasaway pa din. Nagpapasalamat gihapon ako, dahil pag-intindi, yung maaraman kita ngayon, may sulod ka nga ni politika, damo liwat na sakripisyo, angay or hinihimo aton pamilya, pag-intindi aton mga trabaho. So, I hope nga yan ang adlaw, renewed commitment din natin para mas maupay pa nga pagserbisyo, kasulod ang tulo ka tuig, at the same time, mag-enjoy gihapon kita, ay makuri man liwat, kung na natin pagserbisyo, daan iton nga makuri na kay pressure gulpi. So, biskan man pressure, aton gihapon i-enjoy. So, especially para natin mga bago na na-elect, natin mga mayors, mga bago nga na-elect, mga vice mayors, ay laka mo kahulog. Damo it problema nga ato bangon. Pero at the end of the day, matatapos gihapon ito, masusulbar gihapon ito. Asya nga Mayor Felix, parehas kami naubos nila namon buhok pag dinumdum anay mga problema. So, siguro di na lang kung matatapos na akong mensahe. Salamat nga pagkatapusan po ang aton probinsya magkaurusa, one people, one Samar. Aksyon pa tayo.
Thank you, Congressman Raymond Michaeltan, for reminding us that every step forward is a step we take together.